Hi, welcome to all of you. In this particular session, I am going to see, and it's a continuation of data type. So the important concept of any programming language, here it is Python, operator precedence and associativity. So one thing I would like to inform you that all these courses which I am creating will be available in this website, which is nothing but www.studyfortech.com. You can go to this website and you can see all the courses which is available over there. So here you can get the artificial intelligence and machine learning also, Python, C++, Java, Node.js, AngularJS, all the courses you can get from here. So let's proceed. So the agenda for this session is data type, expression, precedence and associativity. The precedence means what? So when we say that one operand 4, so this will be evaluated as alone, so this will give you 4. When we say 4 plus 2, so here it is operator, this is operand, this is also operand, and this will be operated on this operator. So this is plus, it will give you 6. Let's suppose we have a 4 plus 2 multiply by 3. So what would be the output here? So here the precedence will come in picture, because we have to see what is the higher precedence, what operator is having higher precedence. So here multiplication will have a higher precedence, so this will be multiplied first and then addition will happen. So it is nothing but 4 plus 6 is 10. When we have like that 4 plus 2 plus 3, so what would be the output here? Here the same precedence is there, so the associativity will come in picture, whether it will start from left to right or right to left. If you start from this side, it will be 4 plus 5 equal to 9. If you start from this side, it will be 6 plus 3, which is also 9. So what would be the precedence? Let's suppose this is the minus, then what would be the precedence for that? Well, first you will have a minus and then plus or minus. So this is called associativity. We will see this with demo in Jupyter Notepad. So expression in Python. So expression is nothing but this one. So either a single operand or an operator function applied to one or more operands. So like that, what I said to you, 4 plus 5 plus 6 division by 7. So this is the expression. Consider this example. 5 plus 2 multiply by 3 is, either you can write like that, 5 plus, you give, this is the precedence by parenthesis, 2 multiply by 3, or you can write 5 plus 3 multiply by 3. So according to this will be 2 here. So this is 5 plus 2 multiply by 3. Python precedence rule specifies, in the absence of parenthesis, an ordering among operators in terms how tightly they bind the operand. So if this parenthesis is not there, you can see here the parenthesis is not there, so precedence rule will come in picture. So the precedence rule will say which operator will be performed first and then which one will be next. So let's see here the precedence table. Fewer operations are there, not all. You can refer to this documentation, this complete list from this doc. So this is the operator and the precedence is this one, from higher to layer. So this one is having the higher precedence, after that this one, then this, then this. So this is higher from lower, and in the same row, if it is the same precedence, then the associativity rule will come picture, whether from left to right. So let's see this associativity. So the Python associativity rules specify whether the sequence of operator of equal precedence group to the right or to the left. So for example, if you have this one, so what would be the output, 4 or 8? So 4 is, if you perform this one, 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6, so this is 6, and then 6 minus 2 is 4, so this is 4. If you perform this first, then this is 4, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. So which one is correct? Because the precedence here is same, so whether it will start from left to right or right to left, Similarly, you can see here this is the exponential here. So 2, 3 or 3, 2. If you do this one, then this would be output. If you start from this side, then this would be the output. So refer to the precedence table. Python statement on associativity is operator in the same box group left to right except for exponentiation, which group from right to left. So if you go here, if in same group, it will start from left to right except exponentiation. So if you see here 10 minus 4 minus 2, so this will be the output 4. So it will be first this one, which is nothing but 6 minus 2, this is 4. If you can see here, this result will come for exponentiation. So use parenthesis if different order of evaluation is intended. So if you have, let's suppose 10 minus 4 minus 2, and if you want to override the associativity rule, so what you can say, that you can say, okay, I want to perform this one first by putting the parenthesis over there. So what will happen, this will be 2 and this would be 8, but here it is 4 because I am overriding the associativity rule. I am saying that don't go from left to right, perform this first parenthesis. Let's see one example here. If I am giving, let's suppose 2, so what is the output for this? 2. This is the one alone operand for this. If I am giving 2 plus 3, then if you see what it is giving, 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. It's nothing but 10 minus 4 minus 2. So if you see here, this is 4. If you start from this side, what would be the output? 4 minus 2, 2, and then 10 minus 2, 8. So it is starting from left to right. If you want to override the associativity, then you can put the parenthesis over there. I want to perform this first. So see what is the output for this. So this is 8. Similarly, if you have a 10 minus 8 multiply by 2, what would be the output for this? So if you see, minus 6, because 8 cross 2 16 and 10 minus 16 minus 6. If I'll say that no, I want to perform this first by overriding the associativity rule or precedence, so see the output, it is 4. So this is the important concept, you should understand this one when you do the operations on multiple operands, and then you have to consider the precedence and the associativity rule if it is in same group. So thank you for now. If you have any question, please put it in comment box.